Hello everyone, I am Rupali Meshram. Today we are going to study Standard 4th Environmental Studies Part 1. In previous part we had discussed about the similarities and differences between animals. In that we had discussed about the puppy and mother in caterpillar and in butterfly, difference between chicks and chicken, kitten and cat, goat. All that we had seen the similarities and differences. Again, the different size or shape of egg, about the warmth of egg and how the birth from an egg is taken place, that we had discussed. Today we are going to see the next remaining part of this chapter, the life cycle of animals. Metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Yes, when we see the similarities between the goat and kid, the similarities are maximum. When we talk about a hen and the chick, the differences are there. When we will see the difference between a caterpillar and a butterfly, the differences are there. Means some animals, as a animal, the birth which will be given by that animal are same. But sometimes in some animal, it is different. Thus in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change is called metamorphosis. Yes, when some animals and the young one which grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one, that is only known as a metamorphosis. Means when it is just born, at that time it is different, and when it will get adult, at that time it will look different. That changes is known as metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in butterfly. Yes, first it will be caterpillar and then it will convert into a butterfly. Means when it will be like a caterpillar, it will look like a worm, and when the caterpillar will turn into a butterfly, the full growth will be taken place in the butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful color are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. Yes, butterflies with different shapes, with different colors, we observe in our environment, and they live in plant. The lifespan is on plants only. As butterfly grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. So as the stages of butterfly to grow is of 4. First one, the butterfly will lay the egg, then it will convert into larva, then pupa and then adult. This stage is the last stage when the egg will convert into a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. So here, about a female plain tiger butterfly, it will lay egg on milkweed, that is rui leaf, and between 6 to 8 days, it will convert into a larva from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. If you will see here the picture they had given, this is larva, and when it will start eating that leaf, the growth of the larva will be fast. And when the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry, so it will start eating leaf. A new term we had introduced here, that is molt, to shed old skin to make way for new growth. That is only known as molt. Here, this is caterpillar. These are the eggs of female plain tiger butterfly. We are taking example of tiger butterfly, but every butterfly will lay eggs like this only. So this is a caterpillar which is formed from this egg. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. So as a caterpillar of a plain tiger butterfly, it goes rapidly within the first 2 days or in 3 days, and it doesn't fit in the skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is, it molts. Just only we had seen what is molt. Molt is to shed old skin to make way for the new growth. So as they leave that skin to make new growth in the body, that is only known as molt. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2-3 days, it molts a second time. In this way, it molts 4 times. It remains the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. So as again it will start molding, again it will leave the skin and up to take a new growth in body. So as near about 10 to 12 days it will take caterpillar in caterpillar stage. Just before the last mold, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread or a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. So as you can see here, this is the formation in which the caterpillar will weave button of a silken thread or a stack on a leaf or it will hang itself on a tree. When it molts this time, it forms a pupa. So this stage is pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. So as after the stage of mold, when it will start losing its skin, after losing the skin, it will come into a stage of pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called a chrysalis. This is known as, here you can see, this is chrysalis, or we can say pupa, the second stage of butterfly. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. So as in first stage we had seen, when it start losing its skin, it start eating the leaf. But in second stage, for chrysalis, this is the duration of 11 to 12 days. In that period, it doesn't eat anything in this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in its body, but the body keeps growing. The growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through this stage of growth. So this is the last step. After this, after some time, the legs grow longer in this period and it gets attractive wings. Its growth is complete and inside the chrysalis. So in this chrysalis, the total development is taken place of butterfly, and it will now a time after this stage, it will have 4 attractive wings and 6 legs, long legs, and the complete growth of butterfly will be seen in this stage. Here 3 pictures they are given. Let's see. A butterfly emerge from its chrysalis. You can see here full formation of butterfly is done in these two stages: wings, legs, and after that a complete adult butterfly is formed. So this is the last step. Do you know, for each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay egg is fixed. The time the larvae take to emerge from the eggs is different for different types of butterflies. There is great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. So as this is a little information about a butterfly, how a tiger butterfly is born and what is the process of its birth, that all we had seen in this content. Various butterflies, you can see blue color, multicolored, yellow color, again a different types of butterflies they had given here. Do you know, after we have cleaned the grain, we store it in a box. Even then, when we open the box after some days, we may see some insects in it. There can be insects in the grain stored in places like warehouses, in the grocery shop, or even in our home. Now, if a female insect lay egg in this grain, we cannot see them because of their tiny size. The warmth and air they get in the box in which the grain is stored is enough for them to grow. So their growth continues inside the box. They also have the same stage of growth, namely egg, larva, pupa and adult. When we open the box, we see the insect in the grain at the different stage of growth in which they are. So as many times we observe this type of insects in food grains, black color, that is only the process, same process they go on with egg, then larva, then pupa and adult, as we directly see that insect. But in that food grain, the eggs are very tiny, which is not easily visible, due to which we doesn't find any that type of black insects in the food grains before we keep that into a container. Let's see what we had learned in this chapter. In first part and in the second part, a hen sits on her egg to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. Egg, caterpillar, that is larva, chrysalis, pupa and adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its egg on the leaves of the milkweed plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Always remember, butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterfly just for fun and to keep them tied with a string. So, you have to keep in mind, butterflies, they are the part of environment. So, we should not have to play with them. Just for a fun, just we have to enjoy it by seeing. So, in this way, we had completed this chapter. In next period, we are going to discuss the second chapter, the interrelationship between living things. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest notification. That's all for today. Thank you.